Assalamu alaikum students. In the last class, we have done some questions of circles with the properties. Now we are doing some more questions. Like question number 2 of the same worksheet. In the question, AB is a chord of a circle with center O with radius 17. If AB is 16, find the distance O from AB. So first, अगर हम सर्कल ड्रॉ करते हैं, this is circle center O with radius 17. If AB 16 centimeter, a chord. Let's say here is the chord AB, which is 16 centimeter. And this one is the radius of the circle, which is 17 centimeters. Now, we have to find the distance of O from AB. Here is O. हमें distance calculate करना है. Straight line अगर हम यहाँ से लेकर आते हैं, the chord is of 16 centimeters, so this is 8, and this is 8. So distance, let's say OO dash. This is the distance of chord from origin. So by using Pythagoras theorem, as this angle is of 90 degrees, hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Hypotenuse is the longest side opposite to 90 degrees. 17 square equals to perpendicular is OO dash square plus base is 8 square. By this OO dash, or the distance of O from chord is 15 centimeters. So this is the distance of chord from the center O. Next question, question number 3. A chord of length 24 centimeter is at a distance 5 centimeter from the center of a circle. Find the radius of the circle. Again, we have to draw a circle. A chord of length 24 centimeter. A chord of length 24 centimeter is at a distance from center, let's say O. Here it is, let's say O dash. This distance is 5, and we have to calculate the radius of the circle. We have to calculate the radius of the circle. Again, by using Pythagoras theorem, if this length of chord is 24, then half of the chord is 12, and this half of the chord is 12. So by using again Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Hypotenuse is R, radius square equals to perpendicular is 5 square, and this is 12 square. According to this, the radius is 13 centimeters. Hopefully it is clear. Next question, question number 4. A chord of a circle. Again, we have to make a circle here. A chord of a circle of radius 8.5 centimeter is 5 centimeter from the center. Here is a chord, let's say the chord AB. It is 5 centimeter from the center, and the radius of the circle is given, which is 8.5 centimeters. We have to calculate the length of the chord. Let's say the half of the chord is X. Here it is 90 degrees. By using again Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Hypotenuse is 8.5 square equals to perpendicular is 5 square plus half of the chord is, let's say, X. So what is the length of X? The length of X is 3 under root 21 divided by 2. Therefore, length of chord is 2x, so it will be 3/√21. अगर आप चाहें तो इसको डेसिमल में भी लिख सकते हैं. Now, question number 5. PQ is a chord. First, make a circle. PQ is a chord 9.6 centimeter long. PQ is a chord 9.6 centimeter long. It lies 3 centimeter from the center. Center say 3 centimeter. And the chord is of 9.6 centimeters. What is the radius of the circle? We have to calculate the radius of the circle. So now, again, by using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Hypotenuse is radius, which we have to calculate. So radius square equals to perpendicular is 3 square plus half of the 9.6 is 4.8 square. By using this, what will be the radius? The radius is 5.67. This is the length of the radius. Hopefully the question is clear. Very simple questions of circle. Now, question number 6. What we have in question number 6? The radius of a circle is 17 centimeters. Again, we have to make a circle first. The radius of the circle is 17 centimeter. A chord XY lies 9 centimeter from its center. A chord XY lies 9 centimeter from its center. This chord is 9 centimeter away from its center. Find the length of XY. We have to calculate the length of the chord. The radius is given. Radius is 17. Let's say again, half of the chord is X up to this point. By using again Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Perpendicular is 17 equals to, sorry, hypotenuse is 17, perpendicular is 9, and the base is X. So what will be the value of X? The value of X is 14.4. This is the value of X. Hopefully, again, the question is clear. Now, the next question is, again, in a circle. So first we have to draw a circle here. In a circle of radius 5 centimeter, there are two parallel chords of length 8 and 6. There are two parallel chords. Let's say here is a chord of 8. Here is a chord of 6. The two parallel chord. Now, ये जो parallel chords हैं, ये circle के center से एक तरफ या एक center के नीचे और एक center से ऊपर भी हो सकती है. किसी भी तरीके से आप solve कर सकते हैं. No issues. Calculate the distance between the chord. We have to calculate the distance between the chord. In a circle of radius 5 centimeter. Radius is 5. Radius is 5. अगर हम straight यहां से एक dotted line बनाते हैं. Here it is O. Let's say this point is A. And let's say this point is B. So we have to calculate the distance AB. एक और radius भी बन सकता है circle में. This one. It is again of 5 centimeter because circle के all radii of the circle are same. Let's say this point is P. Let's say this point is Q. अब आप देखिए in a triangle O A, P. I'm using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. What is the hypotenuse side? 5. What is the perpendicular side? OA. What is the base side? Base side is, if the arc is of 8 centimeters, then the base side is half of the 8, 4 square. By using, we are able to calculate length of OA. So it will be 3. After that, in triangle OBQ, by using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Hypotenuse again 5, radius of the circle. Perpendicular is OB. Base is half of 6, 3. So OB equals to 4. OB equals to 4. Now, therefore, what will be the length AB? AB की लेंथ कैसे आएगी? अगर हम OB में से माइनस कर दें OA, तो AB की लेंथ आ जाएगी. And what is OB? 4. And what is OA? 3. So the answer is 4 minus 3, 1. Hopefully the question is clear. Now, question number 8. Again, first, a circle. कहा गया, 2 parallel chords in a circle of radius 7 centimeter measure 12 and 9 centimeter. So the first chord is, this will be 12 and this will be 9. Radius 7. Here it is 7. Another radius 7. Same question hai as previous. Again, let's say this is A, this is B. Half of the chord, this is 3 and this is 6. Let's say this is P, this is Q. Now, we have to calculate distance between chords, means the distance AB. So again, triangle OAP, hypotenuse square, perpendicular square, base square, hypotenuse is 7, perpendicular is OA, base is 6. By this, the length of OA is under root 13. And now, triangle OBQ, again, hypotenuse square, perpendicular square, base square. Hypotenuse is 7, perpendicular is OB, and the base is 3 square. So what will be the length OB? It is 2 under root 10. Therefore, the length AB is OB minus OA, 2 under root 10 minus under root 13. So the final answer will be 2.72. This is the distance between chord A, chord 12 centimeter and of 9 centimeter. Now, the next question, question number 9. Two parallel chords PQ and MN. First, a circle. Two parallel chords PQ and MN 3 centimeter apart on the same side of the circle. इसमें बताया हुआ है same side of the circle. एक ही तरफ है. Let's say this is PQ. and the second one is mn. अब देखिए क्या कहा गया, PQ is of 7 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, PQ is of 7 सेंटीमीटर. तो PQ जो कॉर्ड है, जो PQ कॉर्ड है वो स्मॉलर कॉर्ड होगी, ये वाली होगी. PQ 7 सेंटीमीटर, MN 14 सेंटीमीटर. आपसे कहा गया calculate the radius of the circle. We have to calculate the radius of the circle. Chords are 3 centimeters apart. Chords are 3 centimeters apart. Here it is 3. We have to calculate the radius. We have to calculate the radius. Again, let's say O, this is A, and this is B. अब सुनिएगा. Again, by using वही पुराना process, by using triangle OAM, hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Hypotenuse is radius. Perpendicular is OA. Base is 7. And now, in triangle OBP, again, hypotenuse square, perpendicular square, base square. What is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is R. Perpendicular is OB. Base is half of the 7, 3.5. Now, अब आप देखिए दो इक्वेशंस बन गई हैं, इन्हें हमें साइमल्टेनियसली सॉल्व करना है और फिर कैलकुलेट होगा रेडियस. अगर इक्वेशन 1 में से आर स्क्वायर उठाकर हम इक्वेशन 2 में रखें तो क्या होगा, आर स्क्वायर की जगह पर अगर हम रखते हैं ओ ए स्क्वायर प्लस 7 स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू ओ बी स्क्वायर प्लस 3.5 स्क्वायर. सो नाउ लेट्स से ओ ए को हम कहते हैं एक्स. अब इसको हम कह सकते हैं एक्स स्क्वायर. ओबी को लेफ्ट साइड पर मैं लेकर आ रहा हूं और ओबी बेसिकली है किसके इक्वल, ओ से बी तक की लेंथ किसके इक्वल है, ये बेसिकली है ओ ए में अगर हम 3 ऐड कर दें तो किसकी लेंथ आ जाएगी, ओ बी की लेंथ आ जाएगी और ये स्क्वायर भी हो गया इक्वल्स टू 3.5 स्क्वायर. 7 स्क्वायर में राइट साइड पर लेकर जा रहा हूं, -7 स्क्वायर हो गया. ओ ए की जगह हम एक्स लिख सकते हैं, ओ ए की जगह पर हम एक्स लिख सकते हैं. नाउ अब आइए एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस यहां पर ए प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर की आइडेंटिटी ओपन होगी, ए स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab प्लस बी स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू 36.75 विद नेगेटिव. नाउ अब आइए लेफ्ट साइड को मजीद सॉल्व करते हैं. तो लेफ्ट साइड क्या हो जाएगी, एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 6x, क्योंकि माइनस से ब्रैकेट मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, -9 इक्वल्स टू -36.75. एक्स स्क्वायर कैंसिल, 6x राइट साइड पर गया, 36.75 लेफ्ट साइड पर आया तो पॉजिटिव हो गया, -9. सो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ x, 27.75. बेसिकली व्हाट इज x, x क्या है, ओ ए है. अगर हम इक्वेशन 1 में, देयरफॉर इक्वेशन 1 में ओ ए की जगह पर ये रख दें 27.75 तो क्या होगा बच्चों, आर स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू OA की जगह रखा है 27.75 का स्क्वायर प्लस 7 स्क्वायर। यहां से जो रेडियस आएगा दैट विल बी 28.62। अ बिट लेंथी क्वेश्चन, साइमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन भी सॉल्व करना हो गया इसमें। क्वाड्रेटिक ये a प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर की आइडेंटिटी भी यूज कर ली हमने। इसके अकॉर्डिंगली रेडियस फाइनली आ गया 28.62। होपफुली द क्वेश्चन इज क्लियर। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 10। फर्स्ट, a circle, the perpendicular bisector of a chord xy cuts xy at n and the circle at p. So first we have to make a chord xy. First we have to make a chord xy. Now, perpendicular bisector of a chord xy. Perpendicular bisector of the chord, जो भी perpendicular bisector होगा वो chord के center से पास होगा प्लस सेंटर ऑफ द सर्किल से स्टार्ट होगा, क्योंकि सेंटर से जो लाइन आएगी chord की तरफ वो परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर बनाएगी, मींस ऑफ 90 डिग्रीज। द परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ऑफ अ chord xy cuts xy at n. This point is n and the circle at p. If xy is 16, then the half is 8 and np is 2. Calculate the radius of the circle. We have to calculate the radius of the circle. अब आप देखिए, OP is the radius of the circle. OP is the radius of the circle. So ON will be radius minus this length 2, r minus 2. O से P तक अगर रेडियस है तो O से N तक क्या हो जाएगा, रेडियस माइनस 2, बिकॉज कॉर्ड से लेकर सर्किल के सर्कमफेरेंस तक 2 की लेंथ. सो r minus 2 is ON. Now by using Pythagoras theorem again, hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. What is hypotenuse? Radius. What is perpendicular? r minus 2. Sorry, r minus 2 whole square. And what is base? 8 square. सॉल्व करते हैं इसको. आर स्क्वायर इक्वल टू होल स्क्वायर फिर एक्सपेंड होगा ए स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस 64. आर स्क्वायर कैंसिल आउट. 4r को लेफ्ट साइड पर लेकर आ जाइए. 4r इक्वल टू 68 and now r equals to 17. So this is the length of the radius. Hopefully the question is clear. After this, your worksheet 30 is complete. You guys have to do all the questions from worksheet 30 by next class. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.